Hi friends, today we're making Russian salad called Oливье. It's like potato salad but better. You will need boiled potatoes, boiled carrots, boiled eggs, pickles, ham, sweet peas, mayonnaise, and salt to taste. First, you get your potatoes sliced into cubes like this. Next, you slice carrots into little cubes like this. The third part is slicing eggs into little cubes like this. Ew, this smells like eggs. Next part is you throw pickles in like this. That's an easy part. I dump it all like this.
Tasty.
That's tasty. Next, you put the little cubed pieces ham in, like this. That was easy, huh? Then we try a tasty piece of ham. That was tasty. Next part, you need to put the sweet peas in. Let's go. Put those babies in. You see what? Finally, this is the last ingredient. This is mayonnaise. I pour it in like this. Now the last part is really easy. Just mix. I forgot salt. That's it. I'm gonna stop and add some salt. This is my little helper chef folder. She helps me give some salt. Yum. This is gonna be tasty. Now, this salad Oливье is ready. Look, 3, 2, 1. Ready, set, go. See, that's gonna be delicious. Enjoy from Cookers with Boogers.